Hello everyone, welcome back to another breakdown on Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar in the previous analysis, I talked about this sort of ascending channel and I mentioned that probably we're looking at a bit of short-term rotation in the market. So by that time when I was doing the breakdown, price was somewhere around here. It pushed down a little bit but then still rejected the bottom band and pushed back up. But one thing that I actually neglected is if you're looking at the overall structure on the daily chart, we are basically just in a very back and forth market condition. Look at how price collapsed from 0.7879 all the way down to 0.71, push back up to 0.7550, push back low, spike back high, create a probe, come back down, create another fake out at this level, pop back up. As the market condition is quite rotational, again, we are not trying to guess what the market is going to do next, but here are multiple scenarios that I am actually looking at. So here we are, we have some sort of descending channel, right? Then here I'm looking at how price reacts at different levels. So we actually have different structure here. The first one is definitely this low. Why am I calling this a key structure? Because previously when price hit this 0.7130 area, it spiked all the way up to 0.74 for multiple hundred pips. When we're looking at SNR, we are always looking at major SNR level. We are not looking at those really minor ones. For example, something like this. These are really minor, something like this. Any SNR level out of nowhere, especially if it's in between of a range, we are not going to pay too much attention to it. Because if you're focusing way too much on all this minor level, first thing first, your potential profit are low. Second thing, the movement, the fear, the panic that is created around that area is not going to be good enough in terms of risk reward, in terms of volatility, in terms of rejection. All right. So the first one is here. Why? Because this is quite a significant level. Second one is this key structure around 0.70 area, also a memory zone. So let's see how price reacts around this two support structure. For now, definitely I'm favoring short-term long setup, especially when price is just showing a lot of short-term strength to the upside, especially if we go to the 4-hour chart. We are forming sequence of high highs and high lows. So I'm not going to call a specific level to buy, but let's pay attention to 0.7140 and 0.70 area. These two are levels where I will be looking to buy, but then of course the nearest structure is 0.7140. So for now, let's pay attention to how price reacts around 0.7140. If price reject push above, I'm looking to have our first target at the previous high at 0.7260, which is about 130 pips. Then the next structure is going to be the upper band of this descending channel. All right. So that's it for the breakdown on Aussie dollar. Trade safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.